G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Well, I've got some exciting news coming up. Maybe not for you guys. A little bit more on that in a moment. Firstly, please subscribe to the Hook and the Cook, as you're going to see a lot more adventures coming real soon. This weekend I'm out on Botany Bay in the Green Machine for 2 fantastic days fishing Botany Bay. The weather's turned it on. Let's go and get the boat in the water. Okay, the exciting news. I've sold the business. The new owner takes over very shortly, guys, and he's going to be running Botany Bay trips, Sydney Harbour trips, deep sea trips, and lots of other great stuff. So guys, please join him and support him. I think you're going to enjoy fishing with him. Same number, same website, everything's the same. So give him a call and join him. Now, a couple of people I'd like to thank. Firstly, it's my wife. She supported me all the way through this business. Yes, Dale, it's been tough at times, but it's challenging, and we got the results and rewards out of it, and I think it's been an amazing journey. My 2 boys, Blake and Bryce, my parents, all been supportive and helped me along the way. And you've seen Dad in many YouTube clips, and hopefully a few more to come. Now, a couple of other people. Glenn Benson's been my right-hand man up in Weeper for many trips over 20 years. Support me there as my cook, my boat driver, and we've had a lot of fun up there, Glenn. Thanks, mate. Cheers. It's been great. Gary Brown, very supportive. Every single photo I post or share or anything Facebook related, Gary's the first one to post or share and help me out. Thanks, mate. Cheers. And Gary and I did a couple of great videos years ago called The Day on the Bay and The Jewel of the South. We should get them up on YouTube for you guys to enjoy. They'll have a lot of laughs anyway. Shimano, fantastic company, supported me all the way through, and I really thank you guys for your loyal support. Cheers. Paul Braheny, the cook. We're going to see a lot more adventures on the Hook and the Cook shortly, and I'm looking forward to some of our adventures we put together. So look out for those, guys. And mostly, I'd like to thank all you guys, all my loyal customers that have fished with me for so many years out here on the Green Machine. We've had a lot of great times. I've built up a lot of great friendships. So guys, really thank your support along the way. And hey, hook in with the new guy, and I think you'll have a lot of fun. Anyway, let's go and do this last weekend out on Botany Bay, and the weather's turned it on. And I'm going to pick up my customers. We're going to have a lot of fun. Cheers. Beautiful day down here at Sans Souci Wharf. A few anglers mixing it up. How you going, fellas?
Good, mate.
Hey, doing all right?
Yeah, not bad.
Excellent. Any luck yet?
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
Just enjoying the day.
Beautiful morning in today.
Yeah.
Excellent. Hey guys, we're all on board, ready to go. Oh look, Helen's got cash out for me.
Oh, who knows why?
Excellent. Looking forward to a good day?
Oh,
Should be good. Hey, the weather looks fantastic. Let's get out there. Let's get amongst them, guys. Okay, anglers on the boat today.
Helen Larson.
Daniel.
Carol. And
Carol Lee.
Yeah, Carol Lee. Carol Lee, how are you? I'm not saying Carol too.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. These guys have been fishing with me for a long time. Been very loyal and supportive. Thank you, guys. We've had a lot of fun times out in the water.
And we're up for
And today?
16-footer fishes
Hey?
today.
Yes, today will be the same. It's a beautiful morning out here. We're just along Towra, amongst the mangroves this morning, chasing flathead. Tide's nice and high. We're getting our first fish for the day.
Oh, big one at that.
There it is.
We're in the nursery.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me just come around over here. You got a fish on too. Daniel's got a real nice fish on over here. We'll come back to Carol's little fish. Nice work, Daniel.
Thank you.
Is it a floaty, Daniel?
Yes, it is.
Oh, and it's in the net. There it is. Nice work, Daniel.
Thank you.
We taking fish home to eat today?
Maybe.
Yep. Okay. Well, that's our first keeper. Carol, just watch the spikes on that little one.
Mine's,
Okay.
mine's prettier.
I'll get that off. Excellent work. Double hook up. Yeah. Oh, Carol's just hooked a real nice fish. Nice and easy. And he goes. Beautiful flathead. There's a take-home one for you.
Thank you very much. Terrific. Wow. Good, thank you.
Come back and have a little look at this fish.
CK.
Nice flathead.
I see.
And there's the little lure that did the damage. The little squidgy from Shimano.
And Croatia.
Nice work, Carol.
Wow, thank you.
Well, yep, Helen's got one on as well. We've got a triple happening here. Just hold him there, I'll get him off, Carol, in a sec. Let me just come around with the net, guys. Daniel's better fish. We've got this one here. He can lift him straight in the boat. He's only a small one. Grab the line, Helen. Nice, Helen's got a nice little fish. Well done, Helen. Let's go around to Daniel's. He's got a real nice fish on. Okay, here it comes.
Oh, Daniel, lovely.
Just lift your rod now, Daniel. And he goes into the net. Nice work, mate. Nice work. Last trip on the green machine and you're killing it.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Nice.
Well done.
Today.
Two nice fish.
Coming everywhere. I think one legal, but
Well, I've launched the boat for my very last time, my last charter on Botany Bay. And I tell you what, the weather's really turned it on. Yesterday was an awesome day with the three ladies and Daniel. We had a great day. The two Carols and Helen. A lot of laughs. And we caught some really nice fish. We got some nice flathead up on the flats early. Then the wind got up a little bit hard to film, but we managed a few trevally as well. So that was a lot of fun. Today I'm heading over to pick up the last group. And yeah, it's turned it on, the weather's great. Look at this. Beautiful day down here at Sylvania, at the hole in the wall boat ramp that I've been using since I started. And there she waits, the green machine. She's 20 years old this year. And I'll tell you what an awesome boat. It's really served me well. And I think many customers have enjoyed their times out on the green machine. Anyway, I'll head over and pick up my customers and we'll go and finish the last day out on Botany Bay. Well guys, we just picked up the last group for the last charter on Botany Bay. And here they are. Who have we got on the boat today?
Hi, I'm George. I'm Penny.
Penny, hi Penny.
I'm Satyria.
Hey guys.
I'm Andrew.
Excellent. You looking forward to a good day?
Yeah. Sure are.
Hey, how's the weather?
Amazing.
Pretty good, eh? Righto, let's get out there and see if we can find some fish. Well, we're here at Trevally Alley one last time. Got a kingy bait out. Still a bit early, but we might get lucky. Just hope we might get some trevally. So here at Trevally Alley, what do we got? It's a Port Jackson. There it is. Righto, lift him in. Put the net under him, boys. That's it. Hit your bait, runner. Lift your rod up now. Hit your bait, runner. Lift it up. Righto, here we come. Here he comes. Whoa, little Port Jackson. There you go. Hold him up, George.
Okay.
Hey, look at that. Turn around. Okay, here's our little Port Jackson shark. Hold him up. George wound him in, but he's too scared to hold him. Go on, George.
No way, that looks like a joke.
Righto, let's go and put him back in the water over here, guys. Hang on. Coming across. Righto, just lower him down. Drop him in. Off he goes. A long day. Walk down the back.
Not coming.
Walk down the back and wind. Wind. Keep the tension on. Back up this way. Guide him around. That's it. Nice. Keep him coming.
Hey.
Here we go. Oi, look at that. Hey?
I'm not picking that thing.
Nice flathead.
Good job, Steve.
Hey, we've been working hard, guys.
Yes.
We've been working hard. The wind's come up today and it's just belted us out of control. And we've just got ourselves a beautiful dusky flathead. Show us the lure you caught it on. There it is. All right, Penny's got a nice fish on now. Excellent. Just take your time. Oh, it's a real good flathead. Nice one. Don't wind anymore now, Penny. Don't wind anymore. Just lift up slow and bring it slowly towards me. Slow. Hey!
That's excellent.
You can stop winding, it's in the net. And here's Penny's beautiful flathead. Look at that. Nice work. What do you reckon about Mum, guys?
That's very good.
Hey! What a lovely fish. Excellent. So it's two nice flathead. Now if you boys pull your fingers out, we can catch some more.
Did you portrait it?
Well, there you have it, guys, the last day on the green machine. I'm going to miss my little baby. She served me well. It's been a fantastic boat. And what a last day on the water. That wind got up to 25 to 35 knots from the west and made it really, really tricky. A very tough assignment indeed. And we worked damn hard to get the few fish we got. But that's fishing and that's how it goes sometimes. Now I dropped Penny and the three boys on the other side for safety reasons. They're going to meet me here at the boat ramp and pick up their gear. Anyway, that's the way fishing rolls sometimes. We'll see you guys on the water real soon. Please subscribe to our channel. Cheers, guys.